In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how easy it is to create an aircraft ad. First, log in with your email or login and password. Next, browse to your aircraft dropdown and click New Aircraft. In the drop-down menus, select Category, Make, and Model. Add the variant or designation, if applicable, beside the model box. Enter the price of the aircraft. If you don't want the price to show up in your ad, leave the field blank. Enter a short description of the aircraft. This will appear at the top of your ad. You can enter more details in description boxes below. Enter the condition and the year of the aircraft. Enter the serial and registration numbers into the next boxes. If you'd like to hide the serial and registration on public ad pages, click the Hide checkbox below. Next, enter the airframe and engine times. Under the aircraft descriptions, you can list all the details of the aircraft, such as airframe condition, inspection status, avionics installed, STCs, and so forth. If you have multiple users in your account, you may select the user to contact about this aircraft. If you have a specification sheet or brochure for your aircraft that you'd like people to be able to download, you may upload it here. Select the Choose File button, select the file off your computer, and hit Save. Your ad will automatically be created and you'll be taken to a page where you can add photos. Click Choose File, select the file from your computer, and hit Upload. You will be able to upload up to 6 images per aircraft. The first photo will be used as your featured photo on your aircraft ad. If you make a mistake or wish to delete a photo from your ad, simply click on the photo on the right and it will be deleted. Once you're happy with your aircraft ad, click Continue. You have successfully created an aircraft ad on aircraftsalesandparts.net. Please take the time to review your ad for errors or changes that need to be made. Other aircraft sales and parts users can click on the email button and email you directly regarding your ad. If you need to make changes, select My Aircraft under the Aircraft dropdown, search or find the aircraft, and click on the Edit button. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us.